Africans, I feel like in the midst of what y'all are doing with the foreigners, crashing their markets, beating them, taking them out by force, I feel like you should be careful. I really feel like we should be careful in what we are doing, because in the end, you're implicating other South Africans. And I'm seeing that you guys are so violent in the things that you're doing that, oh my God, I feel for my Tsonga and Venda people, for the people from Limpopo. Oh my God, I saw an old lady. She was explaining, she was speaking her language, Tsonga, and mixed with Afrikaans, right? She was speaking her language, and I'm seeing like they were kicking her out and stuff. She was speaking her language in Xitsonga, and people in the comment section were like, no, she's not South African. She's clearly South African. The thing is that you've not traveled around South Africa. You've not been to other provinces. She's clearly Tsonga. She's clearly speaking her language. She's Tsonga. She's telling you. And you guys were in the comment section saying, no, this one is not Tsonga. This one is not South African. How do you know she's not Tsonga? You've never been to Limpopo. You've never been to Mpumalanga. How do you know she's not? Because us who know our own people, we know. We can see it. Okay, this one is South African. And then I saw another video where they were being so violent and saying, Abahambe, Abahambe. They were being so violent. I saw a guy like literally pushing an old lady. And she looked South African to me. You guys, in the midst of what you're doing, you are implicating people. You are destroying other South Africans. I'm not saying the foreigners must not go. If they're not documented, get out. But in the midst of what you're doing, the violence, the thing is that with South Africans is that when we inflict violence, we even inflict it on the people who have documents. Your hatred goes so deep that you start killing one another. You see when they say confusion in the enemy's camp, that you wanted to kill them, but we end up killing ourselves. You understand? We wanted to kill the enemies, but we end up killing ourselves. Because what you're doing now, you are taking out South Africans. You're destroying South African businesses in the midst of doing that, because you see them as foreigners. If they're not yellow bone, you're looking at them, you're like, no, Zimbabwean, Nigerian, Mozambiquean. You look at them like that. In the midst of what you're doing, you need to be careful, because what I'm seeing now is that we are killing each other. We're not killing the foreigners. We're not killing the other African nationalities. We're killing each other. And may I ask, the way you're killing our African brothers and sisters, why can't you kill the white people too? I'm just asking, why can't you kill the white people too? The Germans, they're here. The Germans, the Danish, the Swedish, the Norwegian, the British. Why can't you kill them too? They are here. But really, the thing is that you cannot see that this white person is French. Is French. You cannot see that this white person is Danish. This white person is Norwegian. This white person is Swedish. You cannot see it. But with black people, all of a sudden, you can see that this one is Nigerian, this one is Zimbabwean, this one is Mozambican, this one is this. In the midst of what we are doing, in the end, we end up killing South Africans. You will end up, the violence, the spirit in South Africa, it's the Sangoma spirit, it's the ancestral spirit, always wanting blood. You end up killing each other if you are not careful. I'm just saying.
One thing you will never ever do in this world is convince me that mass deportations are the solution to illegal migration in this country. Deportations in general are a money chowing scheme, really. They are not designed to work, but they're designed to suck us dry until we are so frustrated that we take out our frustrations on the illegal foreigners who really have no control over the system. Because in July 2024 to July 2025, only 46,000 illegal foreigners were deported in South Africa. That may be a slightly large number compared to the previous years, but it's still a small number when you consider that illegal foreigners are estimated to be between 1 million and 6 million in South Africa. And comparing the money that is being spent to deport these people and the numbers that are actually being deported, it's not proportional. In 2025, in the 2025 financial year, almost 900 million has been allocated to immigration affairs. Almost 900 million, that is almost $1 billion allocated to immigration affairs, only to have 46,000 people deported. And of those 46,000 people deported, many of them come back the next day, really. So deportations don't work. They never have, and they never will. If you go back in history or look wherever, you will know that they never work, and they're not going to change because you now think that you can do it. You're not special in anything. Even the United States of embarrassment has tried. It's not working. They built a wall. It did not work. They now deploy ICE on people. It's not working. Instead, it's turning their own people against them because those ICE agents are now attacking their very own people. And the international community is slowly turning against them because they are weirdos. Their neighbors are now seeking other people to trade with because they are weirdos. So it's never going to work. Instead, it's going to turn everybody against us, and there's nothing to gain from that. It's best that we learn from countries like the United States, who have all the resources they need to make sure that deportations work, but they still don't work. So the sooner you accept that deportations and mass deportations will not work, they have never worked, the sooner you accept that reality, the sooner we can start focusing on solutions that actually work. The sooner we can start on looking for solutions that will work and really start implementing real change to our systems. Because when you keep on saying tutula this, tutula that, you're pushing us back, you're pulling us back, you're stopping us from actually implementing solutions that will work. You're just regurgitating what the those in power want you to say, so that they don't have to pull their legs and do real work. That is why whenever elections are near, you will hear ANC saying, oh, yeah, and the illegal foreigners, we must deal with that problem. That's all they're ever going to say. If you continue down this road, let me tell you what's going to happen. Next year, they're going to allocate 1.5 billion to immigration affairs, and they're going to eat imali. Nothing is going to be done, and you're going to keep getting angrier and angrier until you start being violent against people who don't have any power over your economy, over your politics, over the systems that govern your country. And you're going to turn the international community against you. That's it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So na babosisi laba thumela miyalezo to South Africans. The first guy lokhuluma ngendaba yokuthi lento yokuthi maqoshwa ama foreigners bese qoshwa nebantu laba ama South Africans just because bakhuluma Tsonga, just because abakhoni ukukhuluma Zulu, just because they are dark in complexion. Uthi njena labantu be Operation Dudula nabo bonke labantu abaqosha ama foreigners awuyabona nalapha nabo Johannesburg ukuthi baqosha ngisho nemuntu wala South Africa because basimambuka bambona ngekho mhlophe ngelibala, bambona dark ngelibala, ukuthi makakhuluma akhulume Sitsonga, then bona they just assume ukuthi lo muntu loyo akasiye muntu wala South Africa. Uthi lento leyo itofaka bantu labaningi laba ama South Africans ebungodini because kumele bayiphi because those people are South Africans. Just because mundu akasemhlophe ngelibala, it doesn't mean ukuthi akasuye umuntu wala South Africa. Ukuthi bona bayakhona kubabona njengoba bona bayahlala ngalabo Limpopo, bayakhona kubona amuntu wala South Africa lokhuluma Sitsonga, bayabona ukuthi this one is a South African, but uve nje bathi akahambi because uyi-foreigner. Uthi buhlungu kakhulu lento leyo ukuthi ayibone lapha enkundleni yokuqhumana lapha kubomabona ukuthi baqosha bantu laba ama South Africans. So the second lady was speaking about this issue mass deportation. Uyasho ukuthi lento leyo nje into lengeke izisebenze, uthi ngeke izisebenze. They've been doing it for years. They've been doing it isikhathi alesiningi, but ayikaze isebenze into le njalo. Umuntu bamdeporta namuhla kusasa bese kabuyile South Africa. Uthi lokho akusiyo into leyo ke njena isebenzele. It's just a waste of time, and it's just a waste of money and a waste of resources. So please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. Mine saying hey.